Boop, boop, boop.
This is the Hulk True Hollywood story. His rise to fame, his battle with cocaine, and everything else that happened in between on this stunning roller coaster ride.
Hulk's friend, Howard the Duck.
I had just left from Geppetto's Diner. You see, I got offered this part in a movie where I got to play a doll, but I did not want to play a doll. So I quit, and the next thing you know, I bumped into my old pal, Hulk. My old pal must have been upset because he had a real angry temper. You see, when I met up with him, I said, "Hey Hulk, how you doing?" And well, next thing I knew, Tom Savini went flying across the street, who was walking by him at the time. I didn't see much, but I think he raised his arm and hit him by accident. Now, this might not be so.